What would happen if you put your chip bag in the microwave? Well, we're gonna figure it out today. So, continue watching.
Technique.
We ain't come off. I'm finna ball on them. Magic City. We going hard on them. Stroke us. We going crazy. One.
Hopefully, I don't burn the house down. So I advise you not to try this at home. We're gonna try this. I'm gonna take the chips out of it. I'm gonna dump it on this plate over here. I'm gonna just dump them right here. And we're gonna put the bag in the microwave and see what happens. Are you ready? Cause I'm ready. Let's go. Here goes the bag. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh shoot! Y'all, I'm dead. It didn't take no time for this thing to change. I thought it was gonna take a while. Look at this. A little miniature Dorito bag. Oh my gosh. This is cool. This is cool. Okay, so now you see what happens when the bag is without the chips in it. Now, let's warm one up with the chips in the bag. All right, let's do this. So I got this Dorito bag, nacho cheese. Chips are still in it. Let's see what's gonna happen. This is gonna be funny. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here goes nothing. Woo! Woo! Wow. Look. Oh shoot. Look what happened. Now you know what happens when you warm up a chip bag. We have fun. You learn that you put a chip in the microwave. Miniature bag. That's fine. Man, the chips was busting out this bag. Alright, everything is still on there, like the ingredients. It's a miniature Dorito bag for little people. I got a lot of chips to eat, so I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side.